Hello everyone, this is a demonstration of the example code Hello World Random. The program goal is to show you how to use tasks in the mobile app R+m.PLAY700 for displaying, but doing text display on the mobile device. So you need to create a R+m.PLAY700 project on the mobile device itself. Like for example in here, once you get in, I'm assuming you already installed it, you create a new project, I name it Hello World, and I click edit. You're going to go to this screen, and then for this one we just simply add an item for the text display. So in the next video the detail will be shown. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to use the R+m.PLAY700 to create a new R+m.PLAY700 project and register text items. See, so this is a screen capture of Samsung tablet A. So you have installed the R+PLAY700 already. So it's coming up. Okay, so there is an example robot screen which have the example robot of Play700. Although it's designed for the Play700, but you can use this for any robot from ROBOTIS that use protocol 2. So the Mini or OpenCM 9.04-C really works with this one very well. So we create a new project. So we just call it Hello World, for example. Okay. So create it here. You go to Edit. So you can see you can link up to the mobile version of task and motion offset to change the meaning if you want to. You have face detection, color detection, motion detection, line detection. We'll use some of that later in the other project. For today, all we have is just to edit the text that we're going to use. So we just simply add. You should type in Hello World. That's the end of it. So you can see it's just there. Okay. So when you use it in your task program, I'm going to pull it in so you can see, is whenever you need to take that item. You see item number is set to 1 here. So when you need to display that item, all you have to do is specify the item with that variable name, which is item number 0, and just use the text display. All this is listed in the book, much more detail, and that's the extent of it. So continue on. All the detailed documentation for the smart device command do exist, and that's a link for it. And you can see that have many devices. In case you do want to do custom programming, I included with the book a PDF file, smart device control table, and I have all the gory detail, what kind of argument unit should put it, and which is the address. Let's look at the more detail of the example code Hello World. First thing you need to do is when you deal with the R+m.PLAY700 project, or rather connecting to a mobile device, because the Bluetooth connection is going to take some time. So always you start the program, I always have this wait while command. Wait while command, smart noise less than 50. So essentially I can use this command, this wait while loop, and then to halt the task program pretty much at its start when you turn it on the Mini. So I wait until I whistle into the mobile device, and then it will go on and execute the rest of the task program. If you prefer a more silent operation or function, you can use this smart screen less than 0 here. And all this here is in firmware 21. So I mentioned this to the robotics development people, and they agree that this is kind of clunky way to deal with this situation. So they promise that in future firmware they will update this one. So there will be a specific command to check for the smart Wi-Fi connection. So gonna be much neater how to program the Mini in the future. Hopefully maybe firmware 22 perhaps. So if you remember in the previous video demo, Hello World item text 1 will be created. So it was item number 1. So you make sure you have one defined to a paramedical item number, and then in order to the actual code to implement this one, randomized Hello World displayed on the mobile device is just this simple endless loop here. So you use a random number, which is a number between 0 and 225. So if you use a remainder operation and you do with 26, the number become between 0 and 25, and use that for position number. Size number, I do a remainder operation with 100, so the size number become between 0 and 99. Color number, I do a remainder operation with 10, so the number will be 0 and 9. We have only 8 color. So position number bigger than 0, color number bigger than 0, and size bigger than 20, and then you go into the if statement, and this is a key. So position number is random, item number is always 1, size number is random, color number is random. And then you can see I just display that for 1 second, and then this command here to clear the mobile screen, and then I just hold the mobile screen with nothing for a quarter of a second, and that's just a simple program. So here is the actual demo of how it works on the mobile device. So here we go. Hello everyone, this is a tutorial showing the demonstration phase of the example code M Hello World Random. In this application, we are using the task program on the Mini, but it's using the R+m.PLAY700 on a Samsung tablet over here. So a quick reminder, this is a very important line in the task code. Basically, it's waiting for me to make a noise big enough, more than 50 on the Samsung Tab A side in order for the program to proceed in going to the random loop here, the endless loop here. Okay, so this is important. So to get going, and make sure I turn it on. Yes, it is turned on now. It's not using much on the robot really. It's on. This is the screen capture of the R+m.PLAY700 on my Samsung Tab A. First, I want to make sure that I'm connecting to the actual ROBOTIS 210. So that's the one on my Mini. So it's done. And then if you have a quick review, I already created a text called Hello World. So all we need to do now is to start the project. Okay, it's connecting now, but nothing is going on yet. It's supposed to display Hello World. I'm speaking slowly so that softly, so that it can be recorded. But it picked up my voice now, so now it start doing the Hello World. So display the Hello World random, different sizes, a different color. Hello everyone, this is another demonstration of the M Hello World Random software, but this time I commented out the line 25. That means it won't clear the display on the Samsung Tablet A. So the code is downloaded, and let me check. Okay, I just turned it on, back on again, so it's on, just to be sure. Make sure it's still connected properly. Alright, it's running the program now, all ready to run. I'm going to stay quiet now. Connect. Okay, so this time, because it doesn't erase the screen every time it pop up a new color, a new hello world, so you see it's like a collage effect this time around. And you can see that the 25 zone, 5, 5, 5, 5, so you see it fit those zones right now. So there's a collage effect now. So every time it goes into the same old zone and then it erases the old one. So you're going to see eventually 5 lines of word, hello world. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now it looks like, here we go. That's zone 4 or zone 5 there. We'll see.